This informative guide shows you how to connect iPhone to iPad with transfer for mobile, phones, iCloud, Bluetooth, personal hotspot, and cord. Just watch on to know more. Option 1. How to connect iPhone to iPad with transfer for mobile. In terms of professionalism, specialized tools can always gain more favor from some groups. Users familiar with phone transmission tools should be acquainted with Mobican Transfer for Mobile. How to make iPad and iPhone connections with Transfer for Mobile. Step 1. Install and open Transfer for Mobile. Step 2. Confirm the source and destination device. Step 3. Transfer data from iPhone to iPad. Option 2. How to sync iPhone and iPad via iTunes. Connect iPhone via USB to PC with iTunes. Transfer purchases via file devices. Plug iPad into same PC. Sync selected files in iTunes. Click Apply to sync iPad. Option 3. How to pair iPhone with iPad using iCloud. On your iPad, head to Settings, your name iCloud. You'll see a subheading Apps using iCloud from the iCloud settings. To sync across iPad and iPhone. Tap on the slider for any app with content you want. Option 4. How to link iPhone to iPad by Bluetooth. iPhone. Settings, General Network. Tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot. iPhone. General, Bluetooth. iPad. Enable Bluetooth in Settings. Ensure matching 6-digit codes. Pair the devices. Option 5. How to pair iPhone to iPad with Personal Hotspot. When you open the Settings app on your iPhone, choose Cellular, then select Cellular Data. Go to the Personal Hotspot. Open the hotspot and choose the username and password. Tap on the Wi-Fi password to set the hotspot passkey. Then click Done and turn on the Wi-Fi on your iPad to find the hotspot. Access the network. Your iPad now connects to iPhone for data transfer. Option 6. How to make iPhone and iPad connection via cord. Buy dual-sided lightning cable on Amazon. Connect iPad and iPhone. Follow on screen setup. Trust devices. Grant permissions. Choose media. Follow prompts to transfer.